Hello everyone. Imagine you're setting off on a cross-country road trip without a map or a GPS. How far do you think you'd get before feeling lost or overwhelmed? Starting a business without a plan is no different. Today, we'll explore how to create a business roadmap that will guide you to success. By the end of this lecture, you will understand the essential components of a business plan, learn how to create a detailed roadmap for your venture, discover practical tips for making your business plan a living document. A business plan is a written document that outlines your business's goals and the strategy you will use to achieve them. It's a roadmap that guides you through each stage of starting and managing your business. Clarity and focus. Clearly define your business objectives and how to achieve them. Funding. Essential for securing loans or attracting investors. Performance monitoring helps track progress and make necessary adjustments. Risk management identifies potential challenges and strategies to mitigate them. Think of a business plan as the blueprint for building a house. It provides detailed outline of what you want to achieve and the steps needed to get there, ensuring everything is in place before construction begins. Just like a GPS provides directions and adjusts your route based on traffic conditions, a business plan guides you through your entrepreneurial journey, helping you navigate challenges and stay on track. The founders of Warby Parker created a business plan to address the high cost of eyeglasses. Their plan included direct-to-customer model, a virtually try-on feature, and a social mission to donate a pair of glasses for every pair sold. This plan attracted investors and helped them build a successful brand. Creating a comprehensive business plan involves several key sections, each serving a specific purpose. We'll use the examples of fictional startup called EcoClean to walk you through each component. Component 1 is an executive summary, a concise overview of your business, including your mission statement, product or service, and basic information about your leadership team, employees, and location. Our mission at EcoClean is to provide environmentally friendly cleaning solutions to households and businesses, promoting a healthier planet. Component number 2 is company description. Detailed information about your business, including the problems your business solves, target market, and competitive advantages. EcoClean addresses the growth demand for eco-friendly cleaning products by offering biodegradable, non-toxic solutions that are safe for both people and pets. Component number 3 is market analysis. Research on your industry, market size, expected growth, target customer segments, and competitor analysis. The global market for green cleaning products is projected to grow by 10% annually, with increasing consumer awareness driving demand. Component number 4, organization and management. Outline your business's organizational structure, ownership details, and information about your management team. EcoClean's leadership team includes experts in environmental science, marketing, and operations, with a combined experience of over 30 years in the industry. Component number 5, product or services. Detailed descriptions of the products or services you offer, including the benefits and life cycle of your offerings. EcoClean's product line includes all-purpose cleaners, laundry detergents, and dish soaps, all made from natural ingredients and packaged in recyclable materials. Component number 6 is marketing and sales strategy. Outline your marketing and sales strategy, including how you'll attract and retain customers. We will leverage social media, influencer partnerships, and community events to promote EcoClean's products, with a specific focus on building a loyal customer base through exceptional service. Component number 7, funding request. If you're seeking funding, detail your funding requirements, potential future funding needs, and how you plan to use the funds. EcoClean is seeking $500,000 in seed funding to scale production, expand our marketing efforts, and hire key personnel. Component number 8, financial projections. Provide financial forecast including income statements, cash flow statements, and balance sheets for the next 3 to 5 years. Based on our market analysis and growth strategy, we project revenues of $1 million in the first year with a growth rate of 15% annually. Component number 9, appendix. Include any additional information that supports your business plan, such as resumes, permits, legal documents, and product image. Appendix includes detailed bios of the leadership team, product certification documents, and market research data. Start drafting your business plan today. Outline your vision, research your market, and develop a detailed roadmap of your venture. Use the essential components discussed to create a comprehensive plan that will guide your business journey. Create and present a dynamic pitch video for your business plan, summarizing the key elements of your venture's roadmap. Develop a concise script about 150 to 200 words, covering the main points of your business plan: business description, market analysis, marketing and sales strategy, operational plan, and financial plan.